Hello, in this video we'll discuss how we can find the empirical formula of an unknown compound using experiments. So let us see the question. It says dieldrin is an insecticide which contains carbon, hydrogen, chlorine and oxygen. Combustion of 29.72 milligram of dieldrin gave 41.21 milligram of CO2. 5.63 milligram of water, full stop. In a separate analysis, 25.31 milligram of dieldrin was converted into 57.13 milligram of AgCl. What is the empirical formula of dieldrin? Okay, so first of all, from the data we will try to find in 29.72 milligram how much are each and every components. What is the weight of all the elements, namely carbon, hydrogen, chlorine and oxygen. So let us consider the formula CxHyOzClW plus CO2 will give us what? CO2 plus H2O plus chlorine, right? So we know that from 29.72 milligram, which is the total weight, we have got 41.21 milligram of CO2. So millimoles of CO2 will be 41.21 divided by 44. That is 0.93, and we can see that in one molecule we have one atom of carbon, which means the moles of carbon will be 0.93. okay. Second, moles of H2O. Moles of H2O will be millimoles of H2O will be 5.63 divided by 18. That comes out to be 0.3125. But we know in one molecule of H2O we have two atoms of hydrogen. Therefore, moles of hydrogen atom will be 0.3125 into 2, which is 0.625. Right. Now, for chlorine, what do we know? We know that in 25.31 milligram, we got 57.13 milligram of AgCl. Right. Therefore, in 29.72, how much we would have got? We would have got 67.02 milligram of AgCl, which means the millimoles of AgCl would be 67.08 divided by 143.5, which comes out to be 0.465. Right, and in one mole of one molecule of AgCl we have one atom of chlorine. Therefore, we can say millimoles of chlorine. Millimoles of chlorine, by the way, all of them are millimoles. That will be 0.6 or 0.465. Now find the weight of oxygen by subtracting the mass of carbon, hydrogen and chlorine from the given sample. So mass of carbon will be 0.93 is the atoms, is the mole atoms into 12. That comes out to be 11.235. Mass of hydrogen 0.625 into 1, that is 0.625 grams. Mass of chlorine 35.5 into 0.465, which is 16.59. So if we subtract from the total weight, we get the weight of oxygen, right? So now, once we know the weight, we should convert that into percentage weight, because in empirical formula, the first column is that of a percentage weight. So what we do? We say for percentage carbon, we say 11.235 divided by 29.72 into 100. That comes out to be 37.8. For hydrogen, that will be 0.625 divided by 29.72 into 100 comes out to be 2.10. Similarly for chlorine and oxygen. Then mole ratio, we have to divide the percentage by its atomic weight by 12, by 2, by 35.5 and by 16. So we get the ratio as 3.15 for carbon, 2.10 for hydrogen, 1.571 for chlorine and 0.266 for oxygen. Right. So then we have to find the simplest ratio. So divide everything by 0.266. So approximately for the first one we get 12, for second we get 8, for the third we get for chlorine we get 6 and for oxygen we get 1. So the empirical formula of the compound should be C12H8O1 and Cl6.